Good Tuesday evening, everybody. Come on in. It's time to cook Tuesday evening dinner. We're going to have a quick, delicious, short, directly to the point from the pan to the table to the plate. It's not going to take us long tonight. It's time for Swai Fish. So I got my oil hot here. As you can see, I got my Swai Fish frying pan on here. And I've already seasoned my Swai Fish. And I'm gonna cut the long way this time. These are some big old pieces, y'all. So I did, I got 4 big old fish, so they're easier to turn. I thought, let me cut these. These will be so much easier to turn over. Okay, so gonna go ahead and get them on the griddle. I tell y'all what, I'm tired today. Believe this, I had to go grocery shopping again. You know, I've grocery shopped 3 times this month. But I was just out of so many different things. And plus, I went in the commissary. When I go in the commissary, I can always find stuff. But they seem to have things in there that they don't have at the other stores. So I went in there to get 2 or 3 items because I had to go on the base. You know, you go in the store to get 2 items and come out with 20. Well, that's what happened. I'm getting all these on here, y'all. Okay. Okay, so everything is on the griddle. Let me little bit of that on there. Okay. I hope y'all are having a God bless evening. If you got something good in mind that you're going to cook. This was like, I took this fish out earlier and I thought, yeah, you know what? And I've got leftover lima beans to go along with it. So I'm just going to, I've had some in the fridge this Sunday. So I'm going to heat these leftover lima beans. And we're going to have some leftover lima beans. And I've got some leftover pasta salad. So that's going to be enough. That's about 2 or 3 servings of that. I made us a nice fresh salad with lettuce and tomatoes, and guacamole. I'm sorry, avocado. So I got it all made up. So all of those, what I usually do with mine is, excuse me, I like to sprinkle it with some of that cilantro lime seasoning flavoring. I'm thinking about doing some of my garlic pita bread. I'm making some of this. I'm just going to sprinkle this and then we'll put the ranch and whatever other dressing you want on top. And that's going to be our dinner for today, y'all. I am ready to sit back, relax, and enjoy because I've sort of been on the run a little bit today. And I'm hungry. I have not looked at any news at all today. I didn't have time today. So I'm hoping and praying nothing new and tragic is going on. You know, we're still praying for all those things that are already happening. The people in Italy, and of course those people down in Alabama, Mississippi, down in that area, we had a couple, 2-3 weeks ago now. Remember they had all that rain as well, just like Mississippi did when it stormed. So, Alabama, all down there. It was something. I tell you what, I have got to do a video to show y'all from that rain how, if y'all can, I'm going to try to do it before and after, but my shrub that I had put in last year, I mean to tell you, it has grown so much. It just makes all the difference in the world when that rain hits it and then the sun hits it. Oh my goodness. That shrub is so big and so pretty now. I'm hoping it doesn't get too big. And I'm also hoping I don't have to try to get somebody to cut it back. It's really, really growing. Because I want it big, but it's really pretty. So we're going to let that fish continue to fry for another couple of minutes. I'm just going to flip it over. And then we'll heat up the rest of the food. And we'll be ready to sit down and relax and enjoy this dinner, y'all. I'm telling y'all, I'm looking forward to this because I'm ready. I'm ready for it today. I am ready for it today. Let me go ahead. I'm going to go ahead and put my lima beans into, this might be ready to turn up. I'm going to let it cook a little bit longer. I'm gonna go ahead and get me some butter on the grill. I think I want me a piece of that toasted pita bread with some garlic and all that on it. Okay. A little bit of butter on there. I'm only gonna do one. I don't know if anybody else wants to, but I'm just gonna do that one. And if anybody else wants one when they come by here, it's easy enough to cook. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn this because I want to dry it out. Okay. I need a little bit more oil on there. Well, we got it. These are looking and smelling so good, y'all. I tell you what, I am just in love with Swai Fish. I try to eat some fish at least once or twice a week. And I think when the last time I had Swai Fish, really. I think last week sometime, but anyway. Smells so good. So good. And it's such an easy, good meal to fix when you use the Swai Fish. It is very, very simple, y'all. You know, Tanya reminded me, she was on a trip this week, and she reminded me it's Memorial Day weekend. I just about forgotten that. Yep. Had just about let it slip by me. So, we usually do a big meal for holiday. And I normally cook on the grill. I still don't know if I feel like getting on the grill yet or not. So, I'll play that by ear. The grill situation. I would love to. I'd love to do. I would just like to get out there and grill me some chicken pork chops with some juicy toast. Simple. Not necessarily ribs, because I've been doing the ribs in the oven and all that, and that's fine. But I would love to just have me some grilled chicken. I love grilled chicken and grilled pork chops. So I'm gonna see how I feel when the 31st rolls around. See if I feel like getting out there. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the heat from under this fish now, because this will be able to sit on there and continue to cook. Okay, we'll be right back, y'all. I told y'all, short, sweet, delicious, quick, and easy. This meal is ready. We get ready to sit back, relax, and enjoy. The swai fish is golden and beautiful looking. There's my leftover pasta salad, my leftover lima beans, with a couple pieces of okra in it. I made a fresh salad, cooked some fresh bread. So we're going to sit back, relax, and enjoy this good little old meal that probably took all of 25 minutes to prepare from start to finish. You know, you got to go through the prep stage and everything like that. But as far as putting it on the stove and cooking, piece of cake, y'all. Wish I had a piece for dessert. Anywho, hope you all are having a God blessed Tuesday and that you had a beautiful day today as I did. The weather was absolutely gorgeous. 71 degrees, I believe is what it was. So I enjoyed that. Y'all know I'm one of them easy breezy weather girls. So we're looking forward to the rest of the summer being beautiful and not too hot. But if it is, we just have to cool off and adjust. And remember, y'all, we got to continue to pray without ceasing for all the things that are continually going on. These wars are raging everywhere, all over the place. So we need to just pray. Again, I didn't look at any news at all today, but I'm sure something's going on somewhere. I'll have to look. Oh, and by the way, still got to post that video. I think I might have already posted one with where I did the hot dogs for the basketball game for the NBA playoffs. Well, you know what? Even though my favorite team and my grandson and my head's team, the Los Angeles Lakers, didn't win by the score, but they won as far as I'm concerned because they played hard. They were phenomenal. In fact, all of those teams that were in those playoffs did well. I didn't even really look at that much of the regular season, but the playoff season was like none that I've seen here lately. So every last one of those young men got out there and played their hearts out because after all, they're out there to win a championship. Everybody wants to win, so everybody played hard. So I'm excited. I'm still going to watch the other teams. I think there's a game, Miami and Boston, I believe, are playing tonight, I think. So I'm going to watch them as well. Was pulling, of course, for the Lakers. They didn't pull through, but I still thank God for what they did. They did a super tremendous job. You know what? I was an athlete, and I know, look, when you're tired and when you're out there, when you're in those tournaments, it takes a lot. And on the level that they have to play, I can't even imagine the strength and energy that they need in order to carry through a 10 or 12 games, however many games they play. But anyway, I enjoyed it. I loved it. Look forward to the next season. Look forward, to the rest of this season to see the finals. And I'm not quite sure who I'll be pulling for in this. Probably Miami. I lived there once, and LeBron was on that team once. So probably a Miami team. So anywho, y'all, thank y'all for stopping by. Thank you for your prayers, your well wishes, your comments, and your compliments. Love you guys. And y'all know I'm trying to get to that 60,000 subscribers. I'm almost at 58. I'm just a few shy of being at 58. So I'm trying to pull out that other couple thousand to get to 60. And y'all know where we go from 60, 75, and then 100. So we give God the glory. I pray that something I've said somewhere along the way of the past 4 years has helped somebody and changed somebody's mind and did something to make somebody's day brighter. And that's going to be our mantra throughout. We're still praying for the world. We're still doing things to stand in the gap for somebody, to help somebody, lift up somebody's arms, and find out what you can do to be a help to somebody. Anywho, y'all, that's my soapbox for today. Love you guys. Pray for those babies. Keep them encouraged. Remember, watch over them during these little summer vacation excursions and whatnot. So until I decide to cook again, love you guys. Toodles.